Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to pin someone on Snapchat in 2021. It's a new method that I think you'll like, so make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever during the video. Let's get into it. We click on the chat option where we would want to pin some of the people that we spoke with. It's just a test account, so I don't really know any of them, but let's choose, for example, Chris Paul. We have to hold on his name again, click and hold on his name, then click on more, and guess which option you want to click on. You want to click on pin conversation. If you have that, the conversation is pinned, and then you can click more and unpin it if you don't want the conversation pinned anymore. This is how you do it. If it doesn't work for you, maybe you need to update Snapchat. And if this video helped you out, give it a like. And I really want to see you in one of the next videos. See you there.